Hey guys, let's open these Kinder Easter surprises.
Yay!
Let's start with the giant Kinder Easter egg. Lots of yummy chocolate. Barbie. Big flyer. Here's Barbie. Let's put on her skirt. Beautiful. Now let's try on the other dress. This one's pretty too. Which one is your favorite? The white one or the pink one? What do you think? Leave it in the comments below. Now let's open the small egg. Flyer with animals. Here's the mommy bear. And her little cub. They're very cute. Now let's open the bunny surprise. He's holding an egg. Chocolate bunny. Yum yum. Here's the capsule. Flyer. It's a blue bunny holding a flower. Earth's color is yellow. It's a yellow ice cream cone. Orange. Orange Winnie the Pooh. Red. It's a red sea star. Surprise! Kinder chocolate egg. Flyer, we got one of these Barbies.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou.
Stickers, let's put them on.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Here's our Barbie. Back to our Play-Doh. Pink. It's a pink baby onesie. Purple. It's a purple bunny. Dark blue. It's a blue toy horse. Light blue. It's a light blue Minnie Mouse. Green. green palm trees. Now say the colors after me. Yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, dark blue, light blue, green. Good job! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.